What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Currently at my grandparents' house right now, got the Jeep here. I'm gonna hop in and warm it up right now. Not gonna be as cool of a cold start as the Beamer, but I have a Beamer cold start for you this morning as well. Nothing like a big lifted stick Jeep. Let me tell you, this thing was fun to drive on 37s for a year without being re-geared, so I was on stock gearing in 37s. But, oh boy, what do we got going on now? Another thing broke, but this all connects because this Jeep is actually rolling on 37-inch tires that were mounted up at East Coast Tire. And that's where we're headed today because I messed up a little bit. Pulling into the HQ, got the Beast sitting right here, and X3 over there, of course. Whew. She's a big girl, let me tell you. Alright, first order of business, we gotta get the 550 M Sport out of the garage, get some lights on. What was I doing? Oh yeah, gotta pull the 550 out. Love these headlights so much. Things are sick. Ready to hear this V8? That's gonna be the quietest BMW V8 ever. Oh my god. Alright, I know that's not the cold start you were looking for, but I got one more for you guys, so just hang in there. Okay, there's that. And the Beast. So are you guys ready to find out what I did, what I messed up on the car? Alright, let me show you. Actually, you want the good news or the bad news first? You want the cold start or the damage? Yeah, let's just start with the bad news. Screw it. There it is, right there. Whole corner of the rear bumper, and then also my rear quarter panel. Real nice. So you might be asking yourself, Jake, how the hell did this happen? How did you let this happen to that 30? How could you do this? Well, you see, I like to drive my cars, and I like to drive them pretty hard sometimes. And let's just say that the manner in which I was driving this vehicle was a little bit more aggressive than usual. Andrew and I, we had to rip some donuts because, I don't know, 30-degree weather on Michelin Pilot Super Sports. Excuse me, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. And it turns out they were not made for winter use, and we actually filleted a tire completely, which allowed like 8 to 10 inch slab of rubber to come off of the tire. And because, well, I'm not saying this was the case, but the rear end of the car may have been sliding in that direction, we got ourselves a nice fat hunk of rubber that came off and just slapped the car maybe like, I don't know, 30, 40 times. No, more like 10 times, but we do have quite a bit of rubber on the car. So I don't know if this is gonna come out, if I have to rewrap the entire left quarter panel and my rear bumper, which this rear bumper took like 2 days, so I'd love to rewrap that. Yeah, no. But my major concern is right here. There's a little bit of tearing of the vinyl. I don't know. Maybe we'll do a body kit, cover it all up. So that's the situation with the F30. Let's get a nice fat cold start with that straight pipe valve system. Get it up on the lift, pull these wheels and tires off, run them on down to East Coast Tire, get back on the road. Now that's a cold start right there, let me tell you. Probably about time for some new rubber. You guys cannot see this, but this tire is probably like 4 or 5 degrees this way. And if you look at the tread, using my camera level, I'm holding you exactly level. Look how slanted that is. This inner tread is like gone. And you guys ready to see the reason this happened? Yeah, there it is. Oh, it was like 12 inches. It was like a 14-inch piece. Holy shit. So this is is not what you want to happen to your PS4S tire, but oh well. Holy, looks like I did a number on this tire too. I gotta stop doing burnouts. All 4 wheels and tires off, and yeah, totally not obvious which tire did a massive 1-wheel burnout because I'm open diff right now. Oh my God, that's just some carnage right there. Woo. Got my money's worth out of the rears. Load them up, head down to East Coast Tire. Oh man, really wish I got the new tires out of the F30 before I put it up on the lift. Just a little bit of background on East Coast Tire. About a year and a half ago, God, I got something in my eye. Yeah, that's good while you're driving. Car full of rubber. Yeah, no, it's fine. So about a year and a half ago, I set out on the mission to get my 37-inch Nitto trail grapplers mounted up on my fuel hostage wheels. And I kid you not, I called like over a dozen places on the North Shore here, and not a single person would lay their hands on 37-inch tires. They said that's oversized, it's not gonna fit on our machine. Even if it did fit on our machine, that's a huge liability. You shouldn't be putting that on a Jeep. What? I was gonna put 40s on here, but okay guys. So I gave East Coast Tire a call. They're like 20 minutes instead of 15 minutes away, and I was like, yeah, sure, I'll drive the extra 5 minutes. So I give them a call. Sure enough, they're like, hell yeah, we'll mount up your 37s. We've done like 50, 60-inch tires before. Like, that's nothing. And I was like, all right, word. And I hooked it up. I think it was, I don't know, I think it was like $300 for all 5 37-inch tires, including sandbags to balance them. So I can't complain about that at all. Super timely, wicked nice guys. They're all into cars and trucks as well. So I'm hopping on the highway now, and I'll see you guys in about 10 minutes when I get to East Coast Tire. Oh boy, see that? I see a Michelin sign right there. We've arrived, boys. We're here at East Coast Tire now. Gonna unload the new slicks for the Beamer, get them mounted up and down. Colby here is taking care of us today. Be sure to come on down if you need any tires or wheels balanced. Yo, what is this car? What is that? I've never seen that logo before, ever. Comment down below if you have any idea what brand this is. I am perplexed. I've never seen anything like it. Alright, so I just wanted to go get the Jeep like a super quick wash. It's not even that clean yet. But all 4 tires are mounted and balanced in like, I don't know, like half an hour? Like, it was insane. I couldn't even get back to the shop in time before they were done. So, blown away. Gonna get them paid, head home, and then hopefully come back and take Colby for a rip in the 335. Guys, look at this poke. Oh yeah. Technically these tires are slightly thinner, but yeah, I'm happy with this fitment here. We have a little bit more room than the 255 35 R19s. I believe that's what I had on here. So we chopped off a little bit of width and swapped it out for a little bit more height. So should do good in the winter. Ever so slightly more ground clearance in the front end. Car has been sitting here all day, so. Oh my God. Can't even hear myself talking. Like, that's absurd. All right, guys, Colby just got off work. I just took him for a rip. And now he's driving it for himself. Oh my God. Dude, it's so much crazier sitting in the passenger seat. Oh my God. Oh my god. The tires, like, they spin a lot, but she stays pretty straight. Yeah, good idea. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh yeah, now we got a nice straightaway. Oh yeah. Sam is freezing his ass off. I don't know, it's been a couple days since I started this video. We're resuming the ultimate torture test on the BMW F30 wrap. As I told you guys, we slammed a tire against it pretty good, but the car has been sitting in the driveway right over here for probably 5 days now, so we're gonna start her up, get a real nice cold start with our Pro Tuning Freaks tune, pull it in the garage, do a couple of suspension adjustments, and try to scrub off the rubber that's on the side of the car. But yeah, this thing is encased in snow and ice. You think this is gonna be a thick cold start?
It's been sitting there for like a week and a half.
Oh yeah.
And it's fucking freezing.
Alright, so we're in the garage. I don't really know what the best thing is to use to clean rubber off of a vinyl wrap, but I kind of found the most gentle thing in my detailing bucket over there, which is the sticky citrus wheel cleaner from Chemical Guys. As you can see, fast instant cleaning power, and it's a citrus-based acid-free formula, so I assume that's hopefully safe for vinyl. We'll find out. Okay, let's get this soaked down here. Just gonna let it sit for a second and do its work. Oh yeah, that's good. That's real good. Half of it just went on the floor. Oh yeah, get that little bit up there too. Saturate that a little bit with some water. Alright, how long does this say to sit? Alright, let's try scrubbing this. Oh, no way! I think it's going away, kinda. I'm trying not to go in a million different directions because I feel like this is gonna scratch up the surface here, but better than rewrapping entirely. It's definitely going away right here. It's just taking a little bit of elbow grease. I think we're gonna be okay. God, I'm just spraying everywhere. Oh my god, that's amazing.
It's a whole lot of damage.
Avery Dennison for the win, though. I think we might come out with, like, not that much damage.
Not that much damage.
Alright, folks. We've been doing, I don't know, 20-30 minutes of scrubbing. Here we go. Alright, so probably got like 70% of it. Still have some marring down here, as well as up here, but I think if I use a little bit of cutting compound or some polish, I can probably get this out. And in terms of the only part that actually ripped, just right here, I think all I'm gonna have to do is pull off my rear bumper, take it in the basement where it's warm, heat this area up, and I can just stretch this little bit of vinyl out a little bit to fix that edge. But yeah, not devastated. Won't have to completely rewrap the car, and we are considering a wide body kit, so I don't know. See what happens. All right, guys, I'm filming on my iPhone. This is not typical of me. I'm sorry for the terrible quality, but this is a crazy discovery I just had on doing some detailing on the car. So obviously the other day, Sam and I brought the car in here and we tried scrubbing it with some acid-free soap that really only contained citrus because I was afraid of damaging the wrap. Since then, I've given the car a full washing with our foam cannon, pressure washer, or the whole 9 yards, and I brought it into the garage for some detailing. And I was just going to apply my Chemical Guys Hydro Slick ceramic coating, but then it occurred to me that I had this little drill rotary polishing attachment, and I also have some trusty Meguiar's Ultimate Compound here. So just some really basic color and clarity restore compound. I tossed a little bit on the rotary here, and the results are insane. Like, it's almost all the way gone. That's why I stopped briefly here, and I am astounded by the results. Literally 10 seconds of this rotary, that little rubber right there that I've scrubbed endlessly for like 45 minutes, it's gonna come right off. Watch this. Ready? 4, I'm trying to be mindful of this hard edge right here, but keep going. And just like that, needs a final wipe down, of course, and final waxing, but look at, it's gone. This thing works like a magic eraser. It's incredible. So I thought I was gonna have to live with a little bit of permanent tire rash from that little fiasco we had, but I think we're gonna get all of this to go away here today. So I'm gonna do a little bit more work with this little rotary polishing setup, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Grab ourselves a microfiber, wipe this away. Look at that. That's incredible. Vinyl. This is vinyl wrap, ladies and gentlemen. And Meguiar's Ultimate Compound coming in for the win. Thank you, Meguiar's.